Africa is a continent of great beauty, diversity, and resilience. Over the centuries, it has produced some of the world's most inspiring and thought-provoking figures, whose words continue to resonate with us today. Quote 1, "I am not African because I was born in Africa, but because Africa was born in me." Kwame Nkrumah. Quote 2, "A bird that flies off the earth and lands on an anthill is still on the ground." Igbo proverb. Quote 3, "If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together." African proverb. Quote 4, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Nelson Mandela. Quote 5, "The best way to eat an elephant in your path is to cut him up into little pieces." Quote 6, "Never let a crisis go to waste." Mwalimu Julius Nyerere. Quote 7, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts." Winston Churchill, who was born in Africa. Quote 8, "Unity is strength, division is weakness." Swahili proverb. Quote 9, "Hope is the pillar that holds up the world. Hope is the dream of a waking man." Pliny the Elder, who wrote about Africa in his Natural History. Quote 10, "In Africa, when an old man dies, it's like a library has burned down." Amadou Hampidba. African proverb. These quotes remind us of the strength and resilience of the African spirit and the importance of working together towards a brighter future. Whether we face personal challenges or global crises, we can draw inspiration from these words and strive to make the world a better place for all.